How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to find out how we can figure out if someone on our friends list is active on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if someone is online on Snapchat and then you want to actually confirm whether or not they're online, simply come to the chat page, go to that person, and not from here, but you just have to go to their profile page. And when you go to the profile page and it shows a green dot indicator right over here, then that basically means that that person is active on Snapchat right now. Now if you go to someone else's over here and in that case it doesn't show, then it means that they might not be online, but if it shows, then it definitely means that they are currently online on Snapchat. This way you can know that someone is online on Snapchat. I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.